What OSHA actually put out back in 2019 is what they call an NEP, National Electrical. What an NEP is that it will tell you that anytime trend and fatality is going up, they'll actually tell the inspectors that they got to spend a little bit more time going over this. Okay? Now,
we've got our compact excavators lined up.
Okay.
And the 17 and the 26 are the beginning of a new path forward. It's what's called this tilt rotator. It's an attachment on the end of the excavator. It'll tilt 45 degrees.